how to withdraw money from Hard Rock Bet or cash out. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will need to log into our account. So you can just open up the app or on the website and log in with our credentials. Then the second step will be going to the cashier or wallet section. Once we've logged in, you will choose cashier, wallet, or the account section depending on your version. And you can access this from the menu in the top of the screen. Then we just gotta choose withdraw or cash out to begin the withdrawal process. Now we will need to select a withdrawal method. So Hard Rock Bet offers several withdrawal options depending on your location. So here are some of the most common options. We can do online banking, which is going to be a direct deposit into your bank account. We can do PayPal, ACH, Play Plus card, or cash at Casino Cage. After we have selected our preferred withdrawal method, we will need to enter the withdrawal amount. So how much do you want to withdraw from Hard Rock Bet? And make sure you follow the minimum withdrawal requirements, which can vary depending on method or by method, sorry. Confirm your withdrawal. So just gotta review your withdrawal request, ensuring all the details such as account number and method are correct, and click on confirm to submit your withdrawal request. Here are some of the processing times for the different methods. For online banking, it can take 3 to 5 days. PayPal is usually within 24 hours. Play Plus card, instant access once the funds are loaded, and cash at Casino Cage, almost immediate, but you need to visit a participating Hard Rock casino in person. And the seventh step will be checking your withdrawal status. So after you have submitted your request, you can monitor the status of your withdrawal in the transaction history section of your account. Hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.